Namaste and welcome to my channel Watch and Learn Hindi. In today's Tips for Better Hindi Conversation, I'm going to talk to you about aap, tum, and tu. In English, you is the word used to address somebody. But in Hindi, there are three ways you can address a person. That is, there are three words that correspond to the English word you, and they are aap, tum, and tu. Now, the question is, are they interchangeable? And are there specific conditions that decide which you to use and when? Also, depending on which Hindi you is being used, the sentence construction also changes. It may sound confusing now, but by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding. And as always, I will give you lots of example sentences so that you can see how it works in everyday Hindi. Now, example sentences can be gender specific or gender neutral. So, if you see this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then the gender is feminine. And if you see this icon, then the gender is masculine. Otherwise, the sentence is gender neutral. And before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this video, check out my other videos. If you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. First is aap. It is a formal way to address somebody. So when do we use it? When we address parents, grandparents, someone senior to you, like a senior colleague or an elder relative, neighbors, and when we are meeting somebody for the first time or somebody we are not very familiar with. You get the idea. Aap is used when we are showing respect to someone or when we are talking to somebody we don't know very well, or if for some reason we want to keep the conversation formal. Next is tum. It is semi formal, more casual, and it is used to address siblings, cousins, friends, colleagues, and someone you are friendly with. The third one is tu, which is completely informal and is used to address younger siblings, younger cousins, and very close friends. Now let's see some example sentences of how to use various versions of you in Hindi sentences and how the construction of a sentence changes depending on which Hindi you is being used. Let's start with the simplest. You are. So, if you want to use aap, you will say aap hain, where aap is you and hai is are. With tum, it will be tum ho. And with tu, it becomes tu hai. So you can see in English it is you are. In Hindi, it will change depending on which you are using. With aap goes hain, with tum goes ho, and with tu it is hai. Now let's take it a step further. If you want to say you are here, with aap it becomes aap yahan hain. So aap is you, hai is are, and yahan is here. Let's see how it looks with tum. With tum, it is tum yahan ho. As you can see, yahan stays the same. It's just ho that changes. And with tu, it becomes tu yahan hai. So in all the sentences, as you can see, the pattern stays the same. With aap, it is hai. With tum, it is ho. And with tu, it is hai. Yahan stays the same in all the sentences. Let's look at another example. If you want to say, you are a lawyer. With aap, you will say, aap vakeel hain. And as you would have guessed, vakeel is lawyer. With tum vakeel ho. तू वकील है. Another example, you are right. आप सही हैं. तुम सही हो. तू सही है. So these were statement sentences. Let us look at a question. If you want to say, who are you? आप कौन हैं? Here कौन is who. तुम कौन हो? तू कौन है? Next is, where are you? Again, the pattern is the same. आप कहाँ हैं? तुम कहाँ हो? तू कहाँ है? If you want to say, are you a scientist? It will be, क्या आप वैज्ञानिक हैं? With तुम it will be, क्या तुम वैज्ञानिक हो? Where वैज्ञानिक is scientist. क्या तू वैज्ञानिक है? Are you happy? क्या आप खुश हैं? क्या तुम खुश हो? क्या तू खुश है? All these sentences till now were gender neutral. Now, let's look at the last example, which is gender specific. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? Here, कैसे is the word which is defining the gender. आप and हैं stay the same as before. तुम कैसे हो? तू कैसा है? As you can see, कैसा is how, but rest of the pattern stays the same. आप with हैं, तुम with हो, and तू with है. For feminine gender, the same question, how are you, is आप कैसी हैं? तुम कैसी हो? तू कैसी है? So with this example, you can see the pattern of आप with हैं, तुम with हो, and तू with है stays the same even though the sentences were gender specific. Hope you enjoyed this video and now have a better understanding of when and how to use आप, तुम, and तू in Hindi. One thing I want to say here that if you are ever doubtful whether to use आप, तुम, or तू to address somebody, go with आप, as it is the most formal, but तुम is okay too. In general, avoid तू. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video.